And now for this hour's car review, the 2023 Kia Telluride. Comes in these trim levels, the LX, S, EX, SX, SX Prestige, with subsets of X Pro and X-Line. I know it's very confusing. I agree. But they do this, so they package up all of the trim levels with the different stuff that they put in them. All right. What size? This is a standard SUV. I'm going to call it a midsize, but it does have 3 rows of seating in there. How many passengers? Total of 7 if you can squeeze them in the back. Exterior changes from last model year, none. Exterior features: proportional upper and lower grilles with modern and unique headlights. You know that this is a Kia coming at you. Black wheel opening moldings. From the side, it looks like all other SUVs in its class. Tops of the rear taillights turn in at the top under the rear glass. What I liked about it? The unique front and rear styling. That's a Kia exclusive. You don't see it on any other vehicle, and they've done it with lighting. It's pretty amazing. What could you, if the lights are off or the car's off, you don't really pay any attention to it. When you turn it on,
pretty good looking.
The daytime running lights have got the rectangle. The rectangle. Anyway, what could use improvement? Not sure. Maybe have a more blingy version. I don't know. Interior highlights. Here's where the Kia really shines. We had the upscale, optional terracotta package with quilted upholstery. Curved instrument and infotainment screen is 1. Easy to use controls that are nicely labeled. What I liked about it? Android, Apple CarPlay, standard. What could use improvement? I would say an L version, a longer version.
Mm-hmm.
Give it another foot that you could put it back there so you have all 3 rows of seating, and then you've got some storage behind it, because when they do this with 3 rows of seating in a size vehicle there's none back there. Engine. 3.8-liter V6, which is a big V6. Mm-hmm. 291 horsepower, 262 pound-feet of torque, 8-speed automatic transmission. Both 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drives are available depending on the trim level you choose. Tow rating, 5,000 pounds. Miles per gallon. It's rated at 18 city, 24 highway for combined at 21. I got 22.6 over 333.3 miles.
Pretty good for that size vehicle.
It is.
You call it a mid-size. I think it leans the large side of mid-size.
Probably so. They call it a standard SUV. Well, a Chevy Suburban falls into the same category, and I can't compare those two.
I think the Bourbon's bigger.
It is. That's why I'm saying. Yeah. Ride and handling. Smooth and easy to maneuver in parking lots. I mean, this thing is a dream. What could use improvement? I put a big question mark there. I don't know. I don't know how you can improve on this. And they're selling like hotcakes.
Yes.
And I can see a lot, and I can see why. Because the base trim,
good value.
Base trim price is $51,785. The price is tested, which is, as you know, is top of the line, $54,120. Base model price, and winner of Edmunds Top Rated Award, $35,890. If you're in the market for a mid to large size SUV, I encourage you to shop it. Go drive it. You might like it. Competitors include the Hyundai Palisade for $36,400.
Built on the same platform.
The Honda Pilot for $37,000, and the VW Atlas for $37,725. So they're all right in there.
Same range.
Yeah. Shop. This is a highly competitive vehicle in its size and price range. And that's what they have built this for, to sell lots of them. And they have done an excellent job on this one. And I can't put down the VW Atlas or the Honda Pilot. Just remember that each are different. This one is an American design, and I don't even know whether it's built in America or not. But Honda Pilot is Japanese designed and made in Japan, I believe. And the VW Atlas, German, and $37,725 is its price. So they're all right in there together. Shop. And don't be fooled by just the brand name. Kia's been well known for their 10-year, 100,000-mile warranty, and financing is available. A lot of it through the actual manufacturer's leg of financing.
Assembled in West Point, Georgia.
Which one? The Telluride?
Yeah. No, the Kia.
The Kia Telluride, which I just reviewed.
Yep. West Point, Georgia.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Very good.